Hey guys, today I am thrifting at the Goodwill in South Haven, Mississippi. They always have lots of furniture here. It's a beautiful leather reclining sofa. $90. Lamps. It's a cabinet. It's $179. Look how adorable this table is. It's $14.99. Oh, it's pretty wobbly. Look at the legs. So cute. There's an ottoman. It doesn't have a price, so I'm assuming somebody already purchased it. Oh wow. It's actually in really great condition. Have a ton of lamps here. Oh, look at these. They're brass. It's a matching set. And they're $9.99. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to start purchasing lamps. I find some great ones, but it's not something that I usually pick up. They would also be expensive because they're just so much to ship. Look at this one. This one's cute too. The light comes out this way on this one. That's interesting. It is $5.99. Look at this pitchfork. I would get it, but it's coming apart right there because I could definitely redo this. That would be really cute. Look, this little tiny ladder. Oh, this is cute. Look at this tote. I love the size on here. Let's see how much it is. $2.99. Let me get that. Oh, stop. Look at this. $2.99, y'all. What? I am not going to do anything to this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this church. Love this as well. It's $2.99. Add that to my pile. Don't worry. That holds ladders. I like that. Oh, don't worry. Nobody's around. Nobody's going to steal my stuff. A big pig. Alright, somebody's coming. Let me go to my car. Spot some sheep. Look how cute. It's a mama and two little ones. Oh no. The little one's missing the ear. I love this. It says home is where your story begins. So cute. It's $3.99. It's probably some from Hobby Lobby, but I like it. But I'm gonna leave it here. If it didn't have the broken ear, I'd probably definitely get that. Look at this piece. That is cute. I really like the florals in here. I think there might be wood or something. And then there's this bird, which I don't, I love a bird, but the red just does not go with this. Let's see how much it is. $1.99. That's adorable. This is just a piece of paper that'll come off. That is really cute. Yeah, the red bird has to go. I like this. I would definitely keep these florals in. They are really beautiful. Oh, I also got this little thing. It's blue tag, so it's half off. So it'd be 50 cents. And I thought this would look so cute in a little mystery box. I have these huge metal crosses. I don't see a price. Oh wait, there it is. $5.99. Those will look great painted. And then this caught my eye. Look at this painting. It's signed by Nancy. The colors are amazing. Look at that old tin with the fruit and a little kitchen towel. Let's see what the price is. $5.99. I think I gotta get this. It is beautiful. Basket aisle. Y'all know I gotta look down it. It's a square one. I like the pattern on the side. It's an Americana one. Ooh, look at the shape of that. That's adorable. I like the faded look of it, so it's kind of like primitive Americana. Might get that. Put that in my cart. Ooh, this one is a heart, but look how thick this thing is. It's an awesome handmade basket, but it is $10 and it's heart shaped. So, ooh, I like this one. This one's $6.99. It's long and skinny. Would fit in a lot of places. This looks like it was in a little end table. Looks like a drawer. Here's a little one that holds utensils. This one looks very old. Don't see a price on it, but it is cute, although somebody definitely DIY'd this. There's lots of hot glue all over the place, so I think I'm gonna leave that here. Oh, a 3-pound workout kettlebell, $5. I don't know if that's a good price. Here's some more baskets like this. They are $1.99. Kind of like the look of them. Maybe if you were doing a gallery wall, or you could put a picture in there and kind of use it as a frame. This pumpkin is interesting. Natural coconut pumpkin, $2.99. I like the look of this. It's very natural. Here's another one over here. I wonder if I should get these. I've never seen anything like it. I really like them. Oh, look, here's a white one. What? Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to get all 3 of these. Y'all let me know what y'all think about those. What's the price on this one? $2.99. So they're all $2.99. Ooh, this plate's heavy. I thought it was wood, but it is not. Look at that basket full of pine cones. These plates look handmade. Yep, look, signed by somebody in 2015. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this color. That would look great with some greenery in it. Kitchen section. Oh, that's pretty. It has this huge chip though. I love the size of this. This is made in France. Little glass candy dish, very heavy. This one's $3.99. Some white canisters with, oh, I thought maybe it had magnolias on it like this one. There's a little teapot right there. Oh, this piece is cute. It's tall and skinny. Has some floral design on it. It just says garland, dishwasher safe. I don't think it's an older piece. It's a huge soup tureen, and it even has a spoon with it. I've seen this pattern before. I can't remember the name of it. Alright guys, I think I am done shopping here for today. Definitely leave me a comment below and let me know what was your favorite item. I feel like I got some really unique things, but when I find rolling pins like this, that is very exciting. So I think that is my personal favorite find, and it's always a good day when I find an oil painting that is artist signed. Nobody else will have this piece. It's just beautiful. And these pumpkins, y'all, not only are they really cute, they actually smell amazing. So I'm gonna have to look these up and see where they're made. Luckily there's a tag, so I can kind of look into it a little bit more. So I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure with me today, and I will see y'all in the next video.